All right, we are back. So last time what we did was we wanted to make sure that screen is not updated. It is the source of truth. No more updating screen. We only update, and we changed fog of war buffer over to view. So now it's called view. So what we have is this. So we're seeing our view buffer now. And if we cast our spell with S, we can see the player's no longer there because it's not being updated. We're not writing it out to the screen buffer. But look at this. See where we're at? 1, 2. Look at this here. So we see these three right here. We're at the diagonal right there. I'm going to put my cursor right there. So let's do S. Well, cursor disappeared. But we were diagonal to this right here. So we're right there. Now if I move left twice, I'm going to move left 3 times and see if I pick up that dollar sign. 1, 2, 3. So it's not being updated. 4. Now it should be on the right of that dollar sign. And there I am. So we can still move while we see that screen. We just can't see our player. And I think I'm going to keep it like that. So when somebody casts a spell to reveal the map, they can't actually move around and stuff like that. So I'm going to go change that because I don't want them moving. You shouldn't be moving. This is more like, you're seeing it in your head as a, some wizard or something like that. You got that spell. Ow. My beard hair was all caught up. So that's what we're going to do there. So let's go see that. So that's going to be an entity. Let's go here. Oh, I don't need the show thing anymore. Hide minimap. There we go. Okay, so in the player code here, it's going to be a player update. Now, one thing for sure here, I don't know if I want the code in the update. Let me see if we can do it in game. Because game has a variable. Where's it at? Map is shown. Well, map is shown in show map. Why do I have 2 of them? Just one map. All right, let's see if these are used. I know it should be used in, I can't remember which one, but it is used for when you press S. Let me go back in here. Where's that at? Oh, it's in here. Maybe not. Oh, there it is. So S. Okay, so it's show map. That's the one we're using. Show map false. Okay, so if we do that, go to our game cycle right here. So we're going to call player update, and then we're going to call draw the view radius. And then depending on show map, whether it's shown or not, we view the different ones. So here's the thing. We could do this if show map is true. We could do it right here. That way you can't even move. And then we'd reset it in here. Show map equals false. Right here. These are all set back to 0. We could do that. Let's see real quick. Let's see, show map, false. I don't know. I don't know if I want to put it in handle keys though. Because you want this run as fast as possible. You don't want to do a whole bunch of crap in this. So, besides that, we don't need to do this anyway. Let's just do it in player. So show map, let me see here. In our update. Now what we could do here is what is it, game instance? Hold on a minute. Show map. We got map is shown, but we don't need map is shown. I don't think so. Let's just make one here. Why do I have all that? Doesn't really need to be static. Besides static, you can't, I don't think you have access to your variables. These are voids. Let's put our voids up here. Or these other voids. Int needs to be, well, that's an int pointer. But let's put it up here anyway. Map shown. That's what we'll do. Is map shown. So we have mosquitoes. I can't believe it's like 4 o'clock. What is it? 4 o'clock and there's already mosquitoes out. Driving me crazy. All right. Where am I at? Okay. there. So now we can call that. So if that's true, we just return. So that keeps us from actually moving while the map is shown. And that's probably the easiest way to do that. Let's do that. So we got that, show map there. See, I was right by a trap. Look at that. There's an actual trap right here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 from the edge. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Man, I'm right next to it because there's actually one here. It's out of our range. We only got two thing range. Okay, so we're on the map. Okay, and now I'm gonna move towards the wall. I'm right here. I'm gonna move over. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Oh, see, still in the same spot. So there we go. We fixed that. We can no longer do that. What else is there? What else is there? So that was a 12-minute video. Probably should leave it at that. Fix that little thing. Although I want to go for hours here. I think I'm going to start just doing one thing and leave it at that. You know what we could do? We could change our thing to ampersand now. Make it more like roguelike. More like rogue. Let's do that. All right, now we have an ampersand. Yay. Real map. That's it. We could put a timer on that too, so you only get so much time. All right. All right, thanks for watching this. If you like this kind of stuff, please share, like, share, subscribe. Consider donating to my GoFundMe. Write me an email. Hey, just drop me a line. Talk about whatever. Or just make a comment. I like comments too. So yeah, I will see you on the next one, guys.